Hi everyone, welcome to DFW IT Partner. In this video, we will show you how to use the Stripe Extra Fees plugin to effortlessly manage and automate your payment fees. Now let's start by installing the plugin from the Odoo App Store or through the backend in the Apps module. So let's search our Stripe Extra Fees, and there you have it. As you can see, it's already installed for this walkthrough and it's already integrated into our system, ready to streamline our payment processes. Next, we will navigate to our accounting module. We will go to the configuration and we'll go to our payment providers. Our Stripe has already been enabled, but I will still show you how to configure it on your end. So we will click this one and click Enabled. In the credentials below, you will need to input your publishable key, your secret key, and your webhook secret from your Stripe dashboard. In the configuration page, ensure that all of the payment methods that you wanted to be supported by Stripe are added here. Below, we can see the payment journal where the payment will be posted, and if we will um, support Stripe or like full amount of refund. Here at the right side is our transaction surcharge where we can set up the fee rules. We can add the percentage here in the variable cost or the fixed fee to be added to all of the transactions, whether it's card, debit, so on. It will automatically calculate the transaction surcharge or the Stripe fee amount. In the messages, you can add the payment messages that you wanted the client to see once they are having like pending payment or if they are authorizing the payment or if are done paying or if they cancel the payment. They will be able to see the messages that you configured in here. Now, once the configurations are done, we can now see it in action. So let's go to sales and let's create an invoice. Let's check this one. And let's create an invoice here. Please do not forget to add your payment method here. And then we can confirm. Now let me show you what happens when the client pays this invoice. Now going to the front end, let's go to invoices. And let's wait for the payment here. Now the total amount is 4194.7. Let's pay now. As you can see, there is a message. If you click the card, this card will be charged with an additional processing fee of 121.95 cents, and the total charge is 4,316.65. Now let's add our card information so that we can process the payment. Now let's pay. And it shows here that your payment has been successfully processed. We can track the payment in the payment transactions if we see that it's successfully been processed in our back end. So let's do that. We can just refresh this to show that the status of this invoice has been automatically updated as well. So we will go back to our accounting and then let's go to our payment transactions. In here, you can see the transactions INV 2025-17. So let's click that one. You see here the total amount that the client paid is 4,194.70, and the Stripe fee amount is 121.95 cents. And this is how we can track our payment transactions. Now, let's say that the client would want a refund. So how should we process it? Please note, without this plugin or before this plugin, we can't refund the Stripe fee amount. So let me show you how can we refund the maximum amount to the client. So we will need to go back to accounting, go to customers invoices. Let's go with this one. Now, as you can see at the top, we have three smart buttons here. So we will need to click the payments. In here, we will be able to see the payment transaction, and then we will click refund. So here, you could see that the payment amount is at 4,194, but the maximum refund allowed is 4,316.65, meaning that we have automatically added the Stripe fee amount, which is a 4.316. So we can now click refund here, and there is a message. It says that the transaction with reference 17 has been confirmed. Now we can verify if the refund has been successfully been posted in our payment transaction. So we can go to our configuration, payment transactions. Let's go back to the invoice transaction earlier that we clicked. And as you can see, there is a link transaction that shows that we have refunded this invoice. It is also shown here in the payment transaction with a reference that starts with an R, entailing that this is a refund transaction. So when you click that, it shows us that we have negative 4,316.65 cents. And this confirms that we have successfully processed the refund. And there you have it. The Stripe Extra Fees plugin simplifies automated fee addition, ensures accurate calculations, and provides comprehensive tracking, all while seamlessly working within Odoo. So if you are ready to take the hassle out of managing the extra fees, get the Stripe Extra Fees plugin today and transform your payment processes. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.